It surprises me how many small business owners or startups have so many struggles in the beginning because there's so many questions they have that are unanswered. They don't understand really good sales or marketing or social media, what needs to be done, the budget, like what strategy might work for their industry and their target audience. So instead of them like actually hiring a mentor that can actually teach them, have 1 hour strategy with them, 2 hour strategy with them, just at least to have a clear understanding what needs to be done for them to start and grow their social media presence, their branding, and actually get sales. So basically turn those followers into clients. So that's why I do 1 hour strategy sessions for these startups, for these small business owners, to at least have the clear understanding what is it that you're doing wrong and what needs to be done so you can attract the right target audience that can resonate with you, resonate with your brand, with your services, understand, be educated, motivated for you to turn those followers into clients. So feel free to go to my profile and book 1 hour strategy or social media audit, whatever you want to call it, so you can have a one-on-one with me where I can better sit down with you, understand your scope, your short-term and long-term goals, and at least clear your mind to have a more clear strategy on what needs to be done for you to take off.